person left their clothes back of my truck. I'm doing an inspection on my porch. I'll be looking for paraphernalia from multiple years working at a treatment center and inspecting clothes. Yeah, I need gloves. Alright, so I'm going to do this with one hand too. Okay. T-shirts are easy. It's the pants. Okay. So she left behind the glasses. They always leave behind their sunglasses. Okay. Hoodie. That's going to need some inspection. Socks. Another t-shirt. Another shirt. She left a vape. Gloves. Be careful for any sharp points. This is what pisses me off. This vape stuff. Dump the basket. Okay. So, yeah. So, juice. So, we don't know what's in this, right? Lighter. Lighter. So that's like paraphernalia. Okay. So like the underwear. So this was a woman, but Hanes, another sock, dish rag, or face cloth, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So this is where it gets tricky. Use your feet. I have boots on, so. Okay. Be careful for sharks. There's a lot of athletic gear here. So, with athletic gear, there's really not a cuff. So there's nothing to really hide anything, right? Except for you see this pocket right here. Turn that inside out. So, nothing in that pocket, right? That's what you have to look for. So, that goes in that pile. And, one more time, we're looking for pockets. In sporting gear, right? Workout gear, right? Okay. Yeah, like I said, there's really no broken seams to hide anything. So, nothing there. Now, jeans are nightmare. So, first, always look at these are feet. Okay. Trying to do this under 10 minutes, right? Okay, so cuffs. Okay. Cuffs. And then you have to do the pocket, all these pockets, right? Use your feet. Okay, this is where it gets kind of sticky. So be careful for sharps. All right. And she has the pin there for a reason. Safety pin. Okay, be careful for sharps. I'm so dead serious about that. Okay, pocket. Okay. Nothing in that pocket. Be careful for sharps. Nothing in that pocket. This one has, see, a little pocket there. Be careful, you're just looking for. Reason why I only use one hand in case I get stuck and I gotta make a phone call, right? Okay. That's all the pockets. And final pocket. Okay. Right there. See, no seams. His feet. Alright. No seams. Okay. To hide something in. And one more time. Pockets. Small pockets. They love these pockets, man. Okay. Anything in there? Watch for sharps. Okay. Nothing in there. And even if I come across a baggie or something, I got a disposal kit. But this is what you run into when somebody leaves stuff in your truck. Homeless. The homeless, right? And you do want to be a good neighbor. And if you see them again, return clothing. But, you don't want to bring anything into your house that. So, there you go on that pocket. Okay. And now, ooh, I hate hoodies. I'd rather throw them away. Hoodies are a nightmare. Hoodies are a nightmare. It's like, okay, so it's just, I don't like to deal with hoodies. And it's summer, so I just throw hoodies away. I'm done with it. Alright. So, and your sponsor, McDonald's. Alright, man. So, shades. Alright. There you go. So, your inspection is complete.